Hi everybody, this is CA Kaushik Ganguli from Minded EduServe, yours truly, life coach, career coach, bringing you videos from everything else in between. And I have a lot of stories, and unfortunately or fortunately, most of them are true. Today, I am going to be talking on financial literacy for students. This is something which is pretty important, as money is something which is your best friend, believe me. Your friends may desert you, your family may disown you, but money will never betray you. So how does financial literacy for students come about? It starts very early in life. Let me give you an example from my childhood. Many years back, almost 50 years back, we used to go out to have dosas sometimes. It was all that we could afford. My father was a civil servant. So the bill came to something like about 4 of us used to go. 2 idlis, a dosa, the bill usually came to about 15-20 rupees. My father would ask me to total the bill, check the calculations. Those days the bills were handwritten, and then he would give me money and ask me to verify whether the balance paid by the food server was good enough. There was no tipping. When I went to the markets, my father would ask me to find out the rates of various people, who was selling what, which price, what were fractional prices. If 1 kg costs 60 rupees, what was the cost of 400 grams? It took me some time to calculate that it was 24 rupees. Gradually what happens is you start developing a sense of numbers. Once you develop a sense of numbers, this is the start of financial literacy. Gradually, by the time you're 15, 16, you should be starting to manage your own money. You should be accountable for pocket money. And then by that time, you should be able to earn some money of your own, either by cleaning a car, by washing the dishes, by doing some petty jobs. When I was 18, my father told me that, look, if you want to study, you can do that, but I will support you only for the next 5 years. So do something right now. Get yourself job ready. So what did I do? I started teaching. I started taking tuitions for maths, English, and general knowledge. I was a national level quizzer. Gradually I started earning. By the time I finished my second year, I was coaching 6 students and earning about 2,000 rupees a month, which in 1989-90 was a substantial sum of money. Then I started getting articleship stipend, and gradually I started investing some money, buying LIC policies, buying small amounts of shares. So this is how you develop financial literacy as a student. Did that sound interesting to you? Did it sound worthwhile to you? Let us know. Like, share, comment, and above all, subscribe to our videos. Thank you very much for watching, and the countdown to the next video starts now. Thanks.